So I'm gonna season this. Then when you're gonna mix it, you're trying to spread the seasoning evenly, so you can get so everything is obviously packed in there, because you don't want it to the seasoning to separate as soon as you put it in the actual soup. So get that. We're gonna add a little cumin. The cumin does have an aftertaste, so you're not gonna want to add too much. Yeah. Some adobo. That's obviously, it's one of the ones that most people use. And then the reason why we're actually adding the cumin and the onion is because we didn't have this thing called Sazon, so they make a good substitute. And we're also gonna have some extra virgin olive oil. I have no idea how much. Okay, we're gonna mix our seasoning. They're gonna put it on a pan. It doesn't really matter that much what you use in this scenario. Cast iron, I guess it's preferable. And you're gonna want it to be like a medium to high heat, nothing too much. So, mix that in there. Seems
Squish
good.
the meat, like slide the spices around.
Yeah. Okay. Then once we get everything massaged here with the olive oil, I'm gonna take a piece of meat, a big one, and put it on the pan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it. We're using a thin meat, so obviously we only need to put it in for a minute 30. But if you want to use thicker meat for like maybe a less tender but like more rich flavor, and if you want the seasoning more in it, you could definitely use a thicker meat. But we're letting it run here, and right now, obviously we're not going to fully cook it because it's actually going to cook a lot in the soup itself. So you're going to want to cook your chicken. We're lazy. We could have made it like that. But no, we put it in the air fryer because we got frozen chicken. And then you're going to want... And then you're also going to want... green bananas work, but specifically green plantains are the best because they're more starchy, because it's like more of a savory dish. We're going to want corn. Traditionally, it's corn on the cob, but also there wasn't any corn on the cob in the store, and we're also lazy, so even if there was, I would... use butternut squash. You can use those squashes, but the ones in the super recipe we're using these at. And then some potatoes, and actually some sweet potatoes too. But yeah, that's the non-meat part of it. I might not be the best at cutting potatoes, but this was a amazing sweet potato cut. Just want to mention that.
Peeling more than cutting.
Peeling. Okay. We're gonna take our fruits and veggies. Why did I grab it with my hand? We're gonna put it in the pot. You're not gonna put in all the corn. I'm gonna put in all of it probably because I can't be bothered. That's basically it. And we're gonna put in our sweet potatoes, our plantain.
Oh my God! No, that's a horrible. That's a bad idea.
I'm so good at this. This is a bit. Okay, then we cover back up. We're just gonna leave it for like an hour, about. So yeah. This is our end product of the Sancocho. Everything's mixed in there well. The only thing that I would say is like the biggest difference between this and traditional is that the corn obviously says it's not on the cob. It's more spread about the entire soup. But I think it's really good. And yeah, I just need to get a little broth in this. There's no broth. Broth might take a while. You have time recording that.
Also, it's hot.
Okay, got it. Got it. Yeah, it's very savory. I think the seasoning kind of diminished a little in the soup. And my dad didn't tell me it was hot, so that's sad. But yeah, it's really good.